In this video, I will be guiding you guys on how to connect your iPad to a TV with a Lightning digital AV adapter. So let's get started. So first, we want to make sure your iPad actually has a Lightning port. So you want to just go ahead and confirm that your iPad is one of the older models that has, where's my pointer? Here, okay, that has this kind of port at the end, or this kind of charging cable that connects into the iPad. Otherwise you would need a different kind of adapter. But if you have this, if you have one of the older model iPads that uses this charging cable, then yes, you'll need a Lightning AV adapter cable to HDMI. So now this is the adapter we're using. It plugs into your iPad's Lightning port and gives you an HDMI output. Some versions also have a charging port, which is useful for longer sessions. Now, plug this adapter into the iPad. So obviously you'll also need an HDMI cable for this. And once that's done, you're gonna go ahead and plug this adapter into your iPad. And now you're gonna plug the Lightning this Lightning adapter. You're gonna connect into your iPad, and then you're gonna connect the HDMI to this Lightning adapter, and make sure it's pushed in properly, because sometimes it's hard to push it in and it's not connected properly, and then it doesn't connect to your TV properly. So make sure that's done properly. And next you want to connect the HDMI cable on the other side to your TV, like so. You have a bunch of HDMI ports on the back side. Just connect to anyone, and remember which HDMI port you use, whether it be HDMI 1, 2, or so on, because you want to select the right input of HDMI from inside your TV using your remote. And once everything is connected, your iPad screen should automatically mirror to the TV. There's no setting to turn on. Screen mirroring starts automatically. Now, some troubleshoot options. If your screen doesn't appear, then try switching the TV to the correct HDMI input, unplug and reconnect the adapter. Try a different HDMI cable. The one you're using might be faulty, and try restarting the iPad. And if you're using a third-party adapter, compatibility can vary. So that'll be for this video. That's simple. And now you can connect your iPad with a Lightning AV data cable to your TV using HDMI. So anyways guys, I hope this video helped you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.